Would you like to know how to tag both people and companies in your LinkedIn post? Well, stay tuned because today I'm going to share with you how to use the tag function to tag both people and companies. So we're going to act like we're starting a post. Once we do that, we're going to tag both on the actual picture, and then I'll show you also how to tag within the actual content of the post, okay? So let's go ahead and first select our picture. So we're going to select our picture, and then what we want to do, and we can tag from here, and then we can tag from somewhere else. But first we're going to tag the people, and we can click anywhere on the photo. This is if you have a photo, if you're at a networking event, if you're at a dinner, if you're at a conference and you want to tag other people in the conference. So let's just start with, I'm just going to show the first name that came up for me. So you can tag 2 or 3 people. Just make sure it's relevant to them and they're actually in the picture, or you're thanking them for something in particular, okay? And then we're going to hit done. And now we're going to start to type our actual post. Now, the way you can start to tag people inside the post, you just have to use the @ symbol. On the Mac is Shift-2. Find your @ symbol. You can tag a person. So you can say, had such a wonderful time networking with Jennifer this weekend. Looking forward to seeing you again. Or you can actually tag a company. So had such a great experience using my Canva doc. So this is a Canva company, right? Using my Canva doc, they're my go-to for anything graphics, right? So this is how you can tag both a person and a company within your content. And remember, use it sparingly, or you can tag someone within a picture. As always, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so you can be the first one to get notified when I do post another piece of content. And until next time, I'm Deborah Ashley, the LinkedIn Black Belt. I'll see you next time.